Myself, J. Sitaramlu, I am teaching class 10 biology. Today, now we are going to discuss lesson 4, that is excretion. Okay, children, lesson 4, excretion. Okay, excretion is one kind of life process, children. Okay, what is the meaning of excretion? Excretion is a biological process. Excretion is a biological process. It separates and removal of toxic wastes from the body. Okay, children, once again, excretion is a biological process. It's involved in separates and removal of toxic wastes from the body. Okay, children. Okay, that is the meaning of a definition in excretion. Okay, children, here, because of you are taking the different kinds of food substances, after to releasing of energy, okay, some kinds of unwanted substances are formed. Okay, this kind of the unwanted substances, it is essentially removal from the body. In that process only, in our body, some kinds of organs are present. These kind of organs are their function is removal of unwanted substances. Okay, children. Okay, that is the meaning of an excretion. Okay, children. Okay, in Latin language, in Latin, okay, X means, okay, in Latin language, X means out. X means out. Crenary, another terminology, children. Crenary means shift. Crenary means shift. So here in the Latin language, X means out, crenary means okay, shift. Okay, what that meaning is to shift out unwanted substances from our body. Okay, children. Okay, this is the excretion. Next one is, okay, children, here from this lesson the 4 marks question answers. Okay, write about the accessory excretory organs and their excretory substances in human beings. Okay, children, okay, in human body, the kidneys are main excretory organs. Apart from the kidneys, some other organs also they are going to perform the excretory function. Okay, here what is the right about the accessory excretory organs? Okay, accessory excretory organs and their excretory substances in human beings. Already is given information. In human beings, kidneys. Okay, children. Okay, in human beings. Okay, in human beings, kidneys are the chief excretory organs. Okay, these kidneys are filtration of the blood and to send the urine, some of the unwanted substances from our body. So kidneys are main excretory organs in the human body. Apart from the kidneys, some other organs like lungs, skin, liver and large intestine, these also they are going to perform the excretory function. But okay, these are the these kind of the organs, they have a specific function. Secondary, they are going to remove some unwanted substances from our body. But already is given first point only. Okay, but these are the not a main excretory organs. The kidneys are the main or the chief excretory organs in the human body. Okay, apart from the kidneys, some other organs also they have a specific function. Apart from that, the secondary function is they are going to remove some unwanted substances from our body. Okay, what kind of substances they are going to remove from our body? Now we are going to discuss. Okay, children. The first one is what are the other apart from the kidneys, what are the other excretory organs from our body? That is children. Okay, this is the lungs. First one, okay, tabular form, children. Okay, the first one, okay, this is the first diagram, and this indicates the second, and this indicates third, and this indicates fourth. Children. So here this is the first one. It is the lungs. second one is skin, third one is liver, and fourth one, children, this is the large intestine. Large intestine. Large intestine, children. Okay, these are the other excretory organs in our body. Okay, children, lungs, skin, liver, and large intestine. So these kind of the these organs also they have a specific function. They have a specific function. Apart from that specific function, secondary they are going to perform some of the removal, some of the unwanted substances formed in our body. Now this kind of the excretory organs they are going to remove the different kinds of unwanted substances formed in our body. Okay, children. Now first of all we are going to discuss the lungs. Okay, these are the what kind of substance they are going to remove from our body. Yes. Okay, children. Okay, first of all, I will write on the board. The first one is the lungs. First one, children, lungs. Okay, what they are going to remove the unwanted substances from our body. Okay, children, lungs. They are going to remove the CO2, water. Okay, here especially water vapors, some amount of water vapors they are going to remove from our body. Okay, children, here. Okay, lungs. Okay. Okay, this also already is given information. Lungs have the one of the, this kind of the excretory organs. They have a specific function. They have a specific function, but these are not have a specific function in a excretory organ. They have a specific function. Secondary, they are going to remove the unwanted substances to formed in our body. That secondary substances, the lungs, they are going to remove from our body. The CO2 and some amount of water vapors formed in our body. CO2, it is the unwanted substances formed in our body. But the respiration process, children, here, whenever the glucose molecules are in the cellular level, okay, in the mitochondria, in the presence of oxygen, when the glucose molecules are broken down, and whenever they are releasing the energy, apart from the energy, they are releasing some amount of unwanted substances from our body. That unwanted substances, it is called as a carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the unwanted substances formed when the glucose molecule is broken down and produce the energy. So this is one kind of unwanted substances. So this kind of unwanted substances, it should be to remove from our body. Okay, at the same time some amount of water vapor also. Okay, if the unwanted substances not removal from our body, what will happen? So children, here if any unwanted substances formed in our body, it should be removed from our body. Otherwise, this kind of the unwanted substances are to accumulated in our blood, in our body. That is leads to form a toxic substances. That leads to form a toxic substances. So whenever more amount of toxic substances are formed here, okay, the hemoglobin is unable to carry the oxygen to all the cells in our body. That is the reason it should be to remove the unwanted substances in our body. So that kind of the carbon dioxide and H2, these two kinds of the unwanted carbon dioxide and H2 some amount of water vapors, these two are removal from our body by lungs. Okay, children, that is the this is the secondary function of the lungs. Okay, what is the main function of a lungs? These are helps in him to involve in a respiration process. Secondary function, that's is given. These four kinds of the organs, they have a main specific function. Apart from the specific function, they are going to perform the secondary function is removal of unwanted substances. Okay, children, the lungs, the removal of unwanted substances, CO2 and water vapors. Okay, children, that is the lungs to removal of unwanted substances. Okay, next one is the skin, children. Second one is skin. Okay, children, skin. Major, it is consist. Okay, this is to release the sweat from our body. Okay, children. Okay, here, and at the same time, sweat. Generally, our skin is consist of a. Okay, what is the main function of a skin, children? The skin is to cover cover our body, to cover our body. At the same time, the skin it is releasing. The skin it is consist of the sweat pores are present. The skin it is consist of a. Children, observe here. This is a structure of the skin. Okay, sebaceous glands are present. Here, one observe, children, it is a sweat pores. Some pores are present. Sweat gland. Okay, epidermis, dermis. Okay, these are all present, children, here. Okay, generally the skin is releasing the unwanted substances from our body. It is called as a sweat. Okay, children. Okay, at the same time, the skin it is consist of a sebaceous glands are present. Sebaceous glands. Okay, sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are present. Sebaceous glands are present. This kind of the sebaceous glands are connect with a blood capillaries. Connects with blood capillaries. From that, these sebaceous glands are to excrete, to absorb the sweat, some other substances in the form of a sebum. In the form of a sebum, children. In the form of a sebum. Okay, this sebum it is consist of a waxes, sterols, some of the hydrocarbons. Okay, these kind of the unwanted substances are they are present. So children here, okay, the skin it is consist of a they are releasing the sweat. Okay, number of sweat glands are present. Okay, it is a one sweat gland. It is called as a sebaceous gland. This sebaceous gland is to connect with a blood capillaries. Okay, this from the blood capillaries, these sebaceous glands are to extract the some of the unwanted substances in the form of a sebum. This sebum it is consist of a the waxes, sterols, hormones, and the hydrocarbons. These kind of the unwanted substances in the form of a sweat through the sweat pores they are releasing out. Okay, children. Okay, this is okay skin like that they are releasing some unwanted substances. Next, children. Next, third one is liver. Liver. Generally, liver releasing the unwanted substances in the form of a bile pigments. In the form of a bile pigments, children. Bile pigments. What are the bile pigments, children? Here, okay, bile pigments. Okay, here, liver. They're releasing some of the unwanted substances in the form of a bile pigments. Bile pigments. Okay, these are the bile pigments. First one, children, bilirubin. Bilirubin. Second one is biliverdin, and the third one, children, urochrome. Yes. Okay, urochrome. These three kinds of the substances to release it by liver. Okay, in the form of a bile pigments. What are the bile pigments, children? First one is bilirubin. Second one is biliverdin. Third one is urochrome. Okay, these three kinds of the substances they are releasing. Okay, in the through the sweat and urine, children here. Okay, children. Okay, bilirubin and the biliverdin. Okay, this kind of the substances are to form. These are the metabolic wastes of a. These are the metabolic waste of a the dead RBC in a liver. Okay, children. Okay, these are the unwanted substances to releasing from our body through the cholesterol by liver. Children, these are the bile pigments. And fourth one is the large intestine. Okay, children, large intestine. Okay, these are the large intestine. It is the large intestine releasing the excess amount of salts like magnesium, the iron. Okay, through the fecal material they are releasing from our body. Okay, children, what kind of substance it will be here? Large intestine they are releasing the excess amount of salts like calcium, magnesium, iron. Okay, children, these are the excess amount of excess salts like children, excess salts like calcium, magnesium, iron. These kind of these excess salts they are released by large intestine through the fecal material. So like that, these are these kind of the organs are they're going to perform they're releasing unwanted substances formed in our body. Okay, children, that is given right about the accessory excretory organs. What are the accessory excretory organs? Means lungs, skin, liver, large intestine, and their excretory substances. Before it is given, lungs they're releasing the carbon dioxide and water vapor. They released out the skin they're releasing the sweat and some other metabolic waste. Okay, they are consist of a sebaceous glands. The sebaceous glands are connected with a blood capillaries. They extract the unwanted substances like it will be waxes, sterols, hormones, hydrocarbons. These are releasing through the sweat pores in the form of a sweat. liver, it is they're releasing the unwanted substances in the form of a bile pigments. What are the bile pigments, children? It is a bilirubin, biliverdin, and urochrome, which are, these are to form, say, the dead RBC, the result of dead RBC in a liver. Large intestine to form, it is releasing the excess salts of calcium, magnesium, the iron through the fecal matter. Okay, children. Okay, this is one of the important question regarding that information. Next one, children. Okay, analysis the following information. Okay, this is the alkaloids table, children. Okay, these are the alkaloids. Alkaloids. Okay, analyze the following information. In examination, children, like that, they will give the tabular form. Okay, based on the table form, some of the questions also they will give. Okay, analyze the table. Okay, analysis the table and to write the question answers. So here tabular form is given. Alkaloid, part of a plant, uses. Okay, what alkaloids they are given? Okay, children, here first one is quinine. Okay, these are the alkaloids names. Okay, children. Okay, quinine. It is obtained from a bark. Okay, children, here obtained from the bark of a plant, children. Bark of a plant. It is used as a anti-malarial drug. So next one is nicotine. It is obtained from a leaves. Okay, it is used as a insecticide and is stimulant. Insecticide, children, here. And morphine. It is obtained from a fruits, used as a painkiller. Caffeine, seeds, from the seeds, okay, central nerves, okay, nerves, okay, stimulant. Next one is the pyrethroids, flowers, insecticides. Scopolamine, fruits, flowers, sedative. Okay, this like the tabular form is given, children, here. Tabular form is given. Okay, based on the tabular form, what questions they are asked? Okay, once observe now. Okay, here first question, children. Okay, which parts of the plants? Okay, which parts of the plants are used as alkaloids? Used as alkaloids. Which part, children? Okay, what we are observed here? That is especially in a bark of a plant. Answer, children, here. Once observe now. Just okay. Whenever to went in a previously here to okay, bark of a. These are the parts. Okay, bark, leaves, fruits, seeds, flowers, and fruits. Okay, from this okay part of a plant, we are used as a alkaloid. Okay, children. So here answer is should write here a bark, comma, fruits, and some kinds of roots also. Okay, children, etc. Okay, these are the parts. So the bark, leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. These parts are used as a alkaloids. Next one is okay, what are the alkaloids which are used to control the diseases that occur in plants? What are the alkaloids, children? Okay, what are the alkaloids which are used to control the diseases that occur in plants? Children, here when you to observe here in this tabular form, observe now. Okay, from this tabular form, some kinds of the alkaloids used as a insecticide. Used as a insecticide. So which alkaloids used as a insecticide? Okay, children. Okay, here nicotine used as the insecticide. Next one is the pyrethroids used as a insecticides. Insecticides means, children, okay, generally when the crop grown in a field area, sometimes it will be okay, insects are some kinds of insects or attacks the crop and they destroy the crop. Okay, to kill the insects from a crop area, you are using some kinds of okay, some kinds of medicines, okay, drugs it will be. So what kind of alkaloids? Some kinds of alkaloids also helps to control, to kill the insects, children. So here the substances which are used to kill the insects, such kind of the drug or the chemical substance, it is called as a insecticide. Okay, according to that, here what kind of alkaloid used as a insecticide? So two, nicotine and pyrethroids used as a okay, used as a insecticide. So here it will be. So here, what are the alkaloids here, children? Okay, nicotine, comma, pyrethroids. Okay, these two, nicotine, comma, pyrethroids, alkaloids used as a to control the diseases that occur on plants. Next one, name the parts of the plants from which we get alkaloids used as a sedative. Used as a sedative. Okay, here, children, this meaning is sedative. Actually, sedative, it is one kind of okay, when the doctors are, it is given to a surgery conditions, they are used as a in a drug, that is a, in a sedative. Anesthetics, generally the anesthetic drugs, it is called as in a sedative drugs, children. Okay, what kind of drug to use as a sedative? Okay, children, here observe in this area, this is a sedative in a scopolamine, or children here that is a okay, scopolamine used as a sedative, scopolamine. Okay, children, here okay, okay, children, scopolamine used as a okay, scopolamine used as a sedative. Next one is, children, okay, name the alkaloid which is used to prevent malarial drug. Okay, name the alkaloid which is used to prevent malaria. This meaning is okay, which alkaloid used to prevent malaria disease. One subject in tabular form here. Okay, malaria. Quinine obtained from the Barcaria, used as a anti-malarial drug. Used as a anti-malarial drug. So what is the point here? To answer is quinine. Okay, children, quinine. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, children, okay, like that examinations, they will use the tabular form and the questions. Okay, analysis the table and write the answers to a questions. Okay, children, this is the process. Next one. Okay, observe the following table and answer the questions. Table from, children. Okay, name of the phylum, it is given, and excretory system or organ. So name of the phylum, what is the phylum? It is given, children. Here Protozoa. Okay, first one Protozoa, Porifera and Coelenterate. Third one Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelids, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, reptiles, aves and mammals. Okay, some of the phylums are given. Okay, here in this phylum, what kind of, okay, how the excretory substances they are releasing out, at the same time what kind of excretory organs are used in the following phylums. Okay, children, protozoa. What are the examples of a protozoa, children? Here protozoa. Examples here amoeba. Okay, at the same time, children, here protozoa. Okay, these are the meaning, children. One subject, single celled organisms. Single celled organisms. Example, okay, amoeba. Okay, children, amoeba, it is lived in a water, fresh water. So in a amoeba, euglena, paramecium are the belongs to protozoans. These are the single cell organisms. So how they are releasing the unwanted substances from their body into in a surrounding of the water. Okay, simple diffusion from the body surface into the surrounding water. Okay, children. And here porifera and coelentrates, we'll see some questions are there, we'll going to discuss. Porifera and coelentrates, water baths almost all their cells. Platyhelminthes, flame cells. Next one is nematoda, rennet cells. And annelids, nephridia. Arthropoda, green glands, Malpighian tubules. Mollusca, metanephridia. Echinodermata, water vascular system. Reptiles, aves and mammals, they consist of a kidneys or their special excretory organs. So this is the tabular form, children. Okay, what based on the tabular form, what questions they are given? Next page. Okay, now we are going to see. Okay, children, first observe, in the above, which living organisms contains kidneys as excretory organs? Okay, kidneys as, yes, children, observe, no? Okay, in the above, which living organisms contains kidneys? This is the main here. Kidneys as excretory organs like human beings. So here what? Okay, which phylum or which organisms they have a special excretory organs like a kidneys as a excretory organs. See, children, here tabular form. Okay, reptiles, aves and mammals. Children, answer reptiles, aves, mammals. Okay, these three phylums have a kidneys as excretory organs like human beings. Next one is write excretory organs present in earthworm and cockroaches. Okay, children, write the excretory organs present in earthworm and cockroaches. One subject, no. Okay, here, children, One subject here it will be earthworms are belongs to annelids. Earthworms are belongs to annelids. In the annelids, what kind of the organs are present here? It will be nephridia. What is the present, children? Nephridia. Nephridia. Next one is the cockroach. What is the present here in the cockroach, children? One subject, cockroaches are belongs to arthropoda. Cockroaches are belongs to arthropoda. In this arthropoda, green glands and Malpighian, okay, tubules. Green glands, nephridia, comma, green glands, comma, Malpighian tubules. Tubule, children. Okay, these are the excretory organs. Okay, nephridia, earthworm. Okay, right excretory organs present in earthworm. In earthworm, children, nephridia. In the cockroaches, green glands and Malpighian tubules. Next one is, what are the organs for platyhelminthes? One subject, children, what are the excretory organs in a platyhelminthes? In a platyhelminthes, flame cells. Flame cells. Okay, children, here it will be flame cells. Okay, children. Next one is, which phylum excretes the substance into surrounding medium? One subject, children, that is process. Okay, while taking the protozoa, these are the different phylums. They have a particular or excretory organs in their body itself. So here in a protozoa, they are releasing the unwanted substances by simple diffusion from the body surface into the surrounding water. So here, which phylum, children? That is a protozoa. It is releasing the unwanted substances by simple diffusion method from the body surface into the surrounding water. So here it will be, so what is the answer, children? So here, which phylum excretes the substances into surrounding medium? The answer, children, here it will be protozoa. Answer is protozoa. Okay, children. Okay, this is the based on the tabular form. Based on the table, these are the questions. Okay, and answers. Okay, children. Next one is the 2 marks question, children. Fourth one. Okay, name the secondary metabolites which are useful in leather and rubber industry. Okay, name the secondary metabolites which are useful in leather and rubber industry. So, children, here it will be latex used in the rubber industry. The answer, children, here latex is used in preparation of rubber. Next one is tannins. First one, children. Second one is the tannins. Okay, tannins are used in leather industry. Okay, children, these are the answer. Okay, name the secondary metabolites which are useful in leather and rubber industry. Okay, children, that is 1 point. Next one more question, children. Okay, why is vasopressin not secreted when a person drinks a lot of water? Okay, children. Okay, vasopressin is one kind of hormone. Generally, the vasopressin is released when a person is releasing concentrated urine. So here, children, vasopressin is generally released when a person released concentrated urine. If the person drinks a lot of water, such condition vasopressin is not secreted because of the excess amount of water. To release it out from a person in the form of a dilute urine. Such condition, vasopressin is not released from the person's body. That is the answer, children. Next one is, prepare 4 questions you will ask a nephrologist about kidney failure. Okay, children, 4 questions. Okay, prepare 4 questions as you wish. Okay, you will ask a nephrologist about kidney failure. Okay, nephrologist, children. Okay, the doctors to treat the kidneys. So, what questions you are going to ask to a nephrologist about kidney failure? Okay, children, what is the general questions? When does kidney failure? First question. Second one is, what are the symptoms of kidney failure? Next, third one, what kind of precautions we have to take without failure of failure of kidneys. Next one is children here. Okay, what kind of food substances we have to take, okay, to prevent the kidney failure? These are the 4 questions. And here, any next children here, any alternate methods are there if the kidneys are failure? Okay, children, okay, this kind of the questions you are going to ask to a nephrologist. Next one, children, okay, write 2 slogans to popularize the awareness on organ donation. Children, it will be write 2 slogans. Write 2 slogans. Okay, donate organs, save lives. Okay, children. Okay, here that is one of the point. Second one is to donate the organs to give life to the next generation. Okay, 2 slogans, children. Next one is why urine is yellow in color. Okay, due to urochrome. Okay, due to urochrome present in the urine, because of that yellow in color. Okay, children. Okay, more 2 questions are there. First, okay, 9th one, that is write 2 healthy habits which you practice to protect your kidneys from disease. Okay, children, write 2 healthy habits which you practice to protect your kidneys from disease. Okay, children, here the first point is to drink a lot of water. To drink a lot of water and fruit juices and eat low amount of salt consist of a food substances. Okay, children, here the first point, drink lot of water. Next, the second point, children, here in this area, second one is to eat low salt, contain. Children, here is mentioned here, okay, low salt is mentioned here, that indicates the sufficient conditions of salt present in our food. Okay, that indicates don't eat more amount of salt containing food substances. That is the meaning. Okay, these are the 2 habits you should follow, and at the same time, children, here to prevent to usage of cigarettes, the alcohol, okay, gutkahs. Okay, these also you have to avoid to usage of substances. Next one, 10th one, children, write 2 secondary metabolites which you use in daily life. Secondary metabolites. Okay, children, here, okay, what is the meaning of secondary metabolites? Children, here 2 conditioned substances are divided into 2 types, children. Primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites means the substances which are useful to human body for a growth and to produce the energy. So carbohydrates, the proteins are primary metabolites. The substances which are not useful to growth and development of a person or human body, it is called as a secondary metabolites. Okay, examples of, okay, write 2 secondary metabolites, but they are not useful to growth and development, but we are using in our daily life. So these are called secondary metabolites. So to give examples of 2, any 2 secondary metabolites which you use in daily life. Previously we discussed. Okay, this is a latex to use in to preparation of rubber. Tannins are there to use in the leather industries. Okay, children. Okay, this is some of the examples of this to use in our daily life. Here it will be latex. Next one is the tannins. Next one is the gums also. Okay, these 2. Okay, 3. Latex, tannins and gums, they are used in our daily life. Okay, children, these are the important questions from this chapter. Okay, thank you all of you.